so glad you joined me. I am going to be doing a relaxing clean with me on this rainy day. I hope it motivates you and you get some things done. Here you can see I'm picking up some of Ruby's mess that she chewed up on the floor. If it's not the kids, it's the dogs.
Get done with you. Last time I can call you mine. Once more than I swear we are through. We should still have fun, though we say we're done. 'Cause I just wanna get done with you. Last time I can call you mine. Once more than I swear we are through.
I could not believe how dusty this mantle was. I'm honestly a little embarrassed I let it get so bad.
Once more than I swear we are through. I swear we are through. I really lost you. You just really bad. That's why you say you can tell me. I really lost you. You just really bad. That's why you say you can tell me.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
obsession. I just want you in my possession. Never giving up, no fight. Not letting you out of my sight. Never giving up this time for real. Oh, wake up, break up. Wake up, break up. Never giving up, no fight. Not letting you out of my sight. Wake up, break up.
You will have to excuse the lighting in here. This room is really tricky and sometimes it throws my camera off. So if you ever see my videos where it gets kind of dark, please excuse me. And I'm doing my best to try to get it to work properly.
I think that I'm going to hiding somewhere by a gated star. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me. I'm a renegade. I could be the one who saved you from this hard place. We could be as one and we'll escape. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. Trust me, I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Yeah, I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Oh, I won't let you down. We could have the world to ourselves, going to a place that's far.
Here I'm doing some laundry in my living room. I have a laundry system that I follow. If that's something you guys would like to see on how I try to make laundry easier than it has to be, let me know. Comment down below on how I get laundry to go smoothly in my house, especially with 7 people.
We can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. Trust me, I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Yeah, I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Oh, I won't let you down. Some gates never get to open 'cause it's too late. I could be the one who saves you from this place. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me, find me, find me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. Trust me, I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Yeah, I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Oh, I won't let you down.
friends, I have finished my relaxing clean with me this evening on this rainy Florida night. Actually, it's about 6 o'clock and the sun will be going down soon. I usually go to Bible study this night, but my sinuses have been bothering me and I had a ton of cleaning to do. And my husband told me just to take the day off. I really needed to rest. My sinuses are awful, but I cannot rest if my house isn't in good condition. I don't know if anybody else shares that, but there's no resting. So I figured, get up, get moving. I didn't exercise today, so this would be a good way to get a little exercise in. So I did a good little clean with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely appreciate the motivation from YouTube to get these cleaning videos done. So it's definitely good. I'm going to show you the finished product. I wasn't able to the last video because the camera messed up. So everything's clean. The couch is good to go. I'm gonna do another spring cleaning deep clean where I'm gonna clean and gonna get up there and I'm gonna wash these windows, wash all the windows, wash all the blinds, get on top of here, get everything, clean the tops of the fans, tops of the counters, tops of the cabinets, everything. I'm gonna really scrub. And then on another time, and then at another video, I will do another deep clean, nighttime cleaning routine with the baseboards and everything. So I just dusted everything, kind of decorated, moved some decorations around, put my lavender sticks there. The kids and their geodes. They're pretty though. So I dusted here. And then in here, I actually had another clip. But I wasn't able to show you everything because my card was full and it turned off and I didn't know. So I went back in here and finished up. I don't think you guys have really seen our office before, but this is what it is. It's kind of a work in progress. My husband did this pallet wall with pallet boards. And this is where my daughter does her homeschooling. We have a lot of cleaning to do. As you see, we have boards here because we just built the kids a dresser. So, this is it. Got everything dusted. It feels really nice and clean in here. I mean, Ruby's definitely wore out. She's exhausted. So, feels good. It's good. I love starting my Monday off on the right foot, honestly, with things already getting done, laundry getting done. I'll be ahead for the week, and that feels really, really good. Like I had mentioned before, when I do the deep cleaning for spring cleaning, I will be getting up here, cleaning all of this off, scrubbing all of this down. My husband made me this entryway area, bench, entry, hall tree, whatever it's supposed to be called. He made that for me. And as you see, I am redecorating. I'm moving stuff all around. So again, thank you guys so much. For sticking around with me on this relaxing clean with me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope your week is full of blessings. Thank you guys so much, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider. I hope that you stick around, and I'll be posting more clean with me videos. I think I'm also going to start adding some recipes. Give me a thumbs up if you'd like to see some recipes. I love to cook. I do gluten-free, I can do dairy-free, but I also can cook some down-home Southern cooking. I was born in Mississippi and raised in Memphis, Tennessee, and then brought to Florida in high school. So I live off Southern food, but I know how to do it to where it's not so bad and not so unhealthy. So give me a thumbs up or a comment below if that's something you would like to see. Let me know if you're interested in gluten-free, dairy-free menu options as well. I'd like to kind of incorporate that. I'm also going to be doing some more DIYs and crafts that I have in the works. I'm actually working on a growth chart that I'm recording now, so stay tuned for that. If you guys see anything that you would like for me to video when it comes to crafts or decor, decorating, more clean with me, or just day in the life as a stay-at-home mom of 5 kids, please let me know. Again, I appreciate you guys so much for being here with me. It means the world to me. I'm completely humbled and in awe and feeling so blessed that you guys were here. So I hope you have a wonderful week. Bye guys.